You've never seen the Typhoon like this. When the sky demands excellence, only one jet answers. The Eurofighter Typhoon. Watch as the Typhoon blasts straight up in a vertical climb, carving holes in the clouds like gravity's just a suggestion. With each razor-sharp dogfighting turn, it pulls G-forces that would leave most pilots gasping. And in flawless formation, these jets slice across the horizon, a moving wall of European engineering. Vapor trails swirl in slow motion, painting proof of every maneuver. This isn't just about raw power, it's about precision, teamwork, and dominance in the skies. Speed, agility, and sheer intensity. Want more jaw-dropping aviation action? Subscribe to Aero Pulse, your front row seat to the world's most incredible aircraft.